Meaning of empire.
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 Empire. Empire refers to a large political entity or state that exercises control over territories and peoples beyond its own borders. The result of an empire is often one of domination, where the ruling power imposes its authority on subject peoples through force or political coercion. Empires typically expand by conquest and colonization, and often involve the exploitation of resources and labor from subordinate regions. While empires have played a major role in shaping world history, they have also been characterized by conflict, resistance, and inequality, leading to their eventual decline and collapse.